Hello friends, what's up? I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, today we're going to learn about how we can use there is and there are, these two words in our communication, where we can use is with the there and where we can use are with there. So let's we start today's video. Friends, if you are new watcher in this channel, then please subscribe this channel for getting new and latest videos. Let's we start today's video. Friends, there is this sentence we can use where is a single thing that we want show or we want tell. Like suppose there is a ball, only one ball, then I can say there is a ball. Okay, so only one ball there is. So for that I can say is, there is a ball. If there are so many balls, lot of balls, then I can say there are balls. There are balls. So friends, maybe you understand that only one ball there I used there is, and when I want to say there are so many balls or more balls, with that I used are, there are. So there is, this is the single form that we used for showing a single thing. There are, this is the plural form and it shows the plural and so many things. Like there is my friend, there is my friend. It means only one friend there is, which is mine. Okay. There are friends or there are my friends. There are my friends. It means for something long distance there are so many friends which are mine. Okay, not only one, so many friends are there and they are mine. So for showing so many we used are, and for showing a single at the time we use is. Okay, let's see some more examples, and by that we can understand how we can use there is and there are. There is a boy in the kitchen. There is a boy in the kitchen. You say after me, then you can practice your English sentences. You can develop your communication skill, your speaking skill. So please say after me. There is a boy in the kitchen room. There is a boy in the kitchen room. It means there is only one boy in the kitchen room. But I won't say more boys in the kitchen room. Then I can say like this. There are boys in the kitchen room. There are boys in the kitchen room. It means there is not only one boy. There are so many boys in the kitchen room. So showing this, I used there are. There are boys in the kitchen room. Or you can add this also. There are more boys, or there are many boys, or if you want to change the gender or something else, then you can change like this. There are more girls. There are more girls in the kitchen room. Okay, so like that you can use this sentence in your communication. Let's see another one example. There is a dog in front of my friend. There is a dog in front of my friend. You say after me please. There is a dog in front of my friend. It means only one dog is in front of my friend. Okay, so I won't say so many dogs are in front of my friend, then I can use like this. There are many dogs in front of my friend. There are so many dogs in front of my friend. Okay, you say after me please. So this type of sentences you can use in your communication. Friend, just understand where we want say about a single thing. At the time we have to use is word. It means there is. And if we want say so many things, or we want show so many things, friends, animals, and so on. So at that time we have to use they are. Okay, are, it is the plural form, and is, it is the single form. So whenever we want show single thing, at the time we have to use is word, is verb. And when we want show so many things, at the time we have to use are, because are, it is the plural form of the verb. Let's see another one example. There is a student in the classroom who is studying English language. There is a student in the classroom who is studying English language. You say after me, please. There is a student in the classroom who is studying English language. It means there is only one student in the classroom and who is studying English language. Next sentence in the plural form. There are so many students in the classroom who are studying English language. You say after me, please. There are so many students in the classroom who are studying English language. So it means there are so many students, not only one student. There are so many students and they are learning English language. What learning? English language. They learning speaking English, they learning written English language. So all that. Okay. Let's see one more example. There is a laptop on the table. There is a laptop on the table. You say after me. There is a laptop on the table. It means there is only one laptop which is on the table. Okay. And if I want to say so many laptops are on the table, so I can use like this. There are so many laptops on the table. There are so many laptops are on the table. Okay, you say after me. So it means there are so many laptops on the table, not only one. Let's see one more example. There is a red color shirt. There is a red color shirt. It means there is only one shirt which is in red color. Okay, let's see in plural form. There are so many red color shirts. There are so many red color shirts. It means there are not only one red color shirt, there are so many red color shirts. So friends, these are the uses of there is and there are. Friends, I told you at very first, when you want to say something about the single thing, so at that time you use please is verb with there. And when you want to say so many things or animals, so at that time you use are word with there. So are, it is a plural form, and is, it is a single form. I hope friends you understood all these sentences in this video. If you have any doubt, any question, then please ask me in the comment box. If you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll meet very soon in next video. Bye.